Assalamu alaikum, guys. Grade 10, grade 10, secondary one. Uh, uh, these 7 problems are so urgent because the exams. Okay, student needed them. I have to help. The figure here, the first problem. This is the first problem. The figure here shows triangle ABC and triangle EDC. As you see, length here is 2.5, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and B also is the midpoint of CE. The problem asks for, it says B is the midpoint of CE. What's DE? What's DE? He asked for the length of DE. First of all, notice CE bisect angle ACB. So we have 2 similar triangles here, okay, because I noticed that the ratio between CB and the CE is half. The ratio also between CE and the CD equals half, okay. So we have ratio between the 2 sides CB and the 2 sides CD, CE. Okay. Number 2, it's the matter of the bisector of the angle. The 2 angles here are equal to. So I have the reasons for similarity. I can say now triangle CAB is congruent to triangle CDE. And now, what about the ratios? I have to form ratios AB over DE equals half, okay, because the ratio, as we show before, between CB and the CE is half also. The length of AB here is 2.5 centimeter, okay, make substitution and then making cross multiplication, you will get DE equals 2.5 multiplied 2, it will be just 5 centimeter, okay. Second problem, in the opposite figure, x power 2 minus y to the power of 2 equals a, b, c, d. We have to choose. Here I have the solution as follow. The 2 triangles, the smaller one here, ACD, and the bigger one, ABC, are similar because number 1, angle A is common between them. Number 2, the angle C in the smaller equals angle B in the bigger. Okay, so the 2 triangles are congruent. Okay, first step, triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC. Now, writing the ratios or writing the sides. The triangle ACD has 3 sides, okay, AC, CD, and AD. Okay, from the figure, AC and AD are X and Y. In the same order, I have to write the sides of triangle ABC. It's AB, BC, and AC. AB is Y plus Z, as you see in the figure, okay, the total side, and AC just X. Now, we have to equal ratios, okay, X over Y and Y plus Z over X, making cross multiplication, multiplying X by X to get X to the power of 2, multiplying Y and the total of Y plus Z. Okay, you will have Y power 2 plus YZ. Okay, taking this equation and moving Y square to the left-hand side, you will get X squared minus Y squared equals ZY. So I have to choose number C. Okay, I wrote the reason of similarity here. Just angle A is common and angles B and ACD are uh, congruent angles. New problem here. It says the interior and exterior bisector of triangle include between them angle of measure what? ABCD. We have to choose. The blue is the triangle itself. Okay. This angle is the interior angle, and this is its bisector. This angle is exterior, and this is its bisector. I denoted the half of each angle by the same color. For example, here, green are equal, yellow are equal to. The four angles here, okay, together collect 180 degrees. If I take one yellow and one green, I take half of the 180, it will be 90 degrees. So the angle between the two bisector, this one and the second one, must be half of the 180, must be 90 degrees. The choose must be 90 degrees. Moving to third one. I'll complete in Arabic, sorry. هنا يا شباب بنقول ايه بقى؟ بالنسبة للمثلث أنا عندي طبعا الريشيو ده بايسكتور. This one is bisector. The ratio down is 3 centimeters. Sorry, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. The ratio is 3 to 5. The same ratio must be on BA and AC. Okay, so I denoted AB as 3x and AC as 5x. Now he asked for AB. He asked for AB. He asked for the 3x. First step, taking the huge triangle ABC and apply Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse is 5x, so 5x squared minus 3x squared, the side AB, equals other side 8 power 2. Remove power 2, it's 25x squared minus 9x squared and equals 64. 25 minus 9 is 16. 16x squared equals 64. Divide by 16, you will get x squared equals 4. Taking the square root, you will get x equals 2. What about AB? AB is not x, it's 3x. So it's 3x, it's 3 times 2, it's 6 centimeter. I have to choose number C. Next one. I have to take a decision through the sign of A and C in the quadratic equation, ax squared and bx plus c. The function of A here, the coefficient of x squared, is making a decision, the parabola open up or down. Okay, here in this example we have 3 different cases. If A is bigger than 0, the curve must be open up, A bigger than 0 in the 3 cases. Okay, you send me this problem, guys, and the parabola is open up. Okay, what's the difference between the 3 cases? In the first case, okay, the intersection with x-axis are 2 solutions to the left. They are negative together. Okay, the sign of C must be positive. The sign of C must be positive. It means C bigger than 0. The second case, we have two solutions. One is positive, the other is negative. In such a case like this, we have to say C, the absolute term, must be negative. C must be smaller than 0. Number 3, we have two solutions here. Each of them is positive, so the sign of C must be positive. C is greater than 0. يعني اللي عايزين نقوله يا شباب، إذا كان السوليوشن هما الاتنين زي بعض، هما الاتنين بوزيتيف أو هما الاتنين نيجاتيف، الإشارة بتاعت السي لازم تكون بوزيتيف هي كمان. إنما لو واحد بوزيتيف واحد نيجاتيف، الإشارة بتاعت السي المفروض تبقى إيه؟ نيجاتيف. المسألة اللي انتوا باعتينها التو روتس على اليمين، هما الاتنين على اليمين، يعني مشابهة لنفس الحالة دي. يبقى أنا عندي ال A positive وال C كمان positive، عشان كده اخترت the solution D. Moving. Okay. In this problem, we have triangle XYZ is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. If these two triangles are similar, then the ratio between areas must equals the ratio between sides, but power 2. Area over area equals side side over side, all power 2. Here he said the problem says area of triangle XYZ equals 3 times area of triangle ABC. The ratio between area of the two triangles is 3 to 1. 3 to 1. Okay, this is the ratio between the two areas. In the other side, the length of XY equals 3. Here it is. And the length of AB, okay, the length of AB is required. Now, 3 over 1, here it is. And making power 2 for each of 3 and AB, it will be 9 up and AB squared down. Making cross multiplication, you will get AB squared equals just 3. 9 divided 3 is 3. Okay, taking the square root, so AB equals just square root of 3. The answer will be number A. Another problem, and we had a deal. We had a deal about the problem, the bracket 1 plus I, power 2, power 4, power 8, any power. Okay, first step, I have to do power 2 only. 1 plus I, the same bracket, 1 plus I, all to the power of 2. It is first square, it's 1. Second square, it's I square. First times second times 2, it will give you 2I. What about the value of y square? Y square is -1, so I removed it with the positive 1. Only I have now 2I. So 1 plus I, all to the power of 2 equals 2I. Now, if you want 1 plus I all to the power 4, it means the previous line to the power of 4, because 2 by 4 gives you 8. So, to get the value of this quantity, you have to take 2I, okay, and make it power 4. And that means it's 2 power 4 multiply I power 4. As you know, I power 4 is 1 and 2 power 4 is 16. The answer must be number, choose A. Another problem here, and very easy. You ask it for the sum of 1 plus I square plus till I power 16. I divide it into groups. Isolate one, okay, alone. From I power 1 to I power 4, it's the first group. From I power 5 till I power 8, second group. Each group contains 4 consecutive i's, 4 consecutive terms. Okay, the last one will be I power 13 till I power 16. And now the one is here. Considering I power 1, it's I power 2 is negative 1, I power 3 is negative I, as you know from the table of complex numbers. I power 4 is 1. Okay, and you will find the same for the second group, third group, last group, and so on. Okay, what's the value of each group? Notice this group, okay, here we have 4 terms, okay, 4 terms, I, negative 1, negative I, positive 1, oh my god. So it's I and negative I, you have to make cancellation, cancellate I and negative I, cancellate also negative 1 and the positive 1. The result now is 0. The same you will find for second group, third group till the end group. So the whole rest of the problem are zeros. You only have one term, it's 1. Okay, it's 1. So I have to choose number B. That's great. Remember, my advice to you is watching the video second, third, twice, as long as you're going to the exam, you have to watch the video many times. This problem, okay, he asked for YC. Where is YC? I am a private detective, okay? Concentrate. Look up, we have triangle AYX. Sides are 6, 9, and 12. Smaller, middle, and bigger. Down, we have another triangle. It is EDB. The smallest side is 4. The middle is 6. The longest side is 8. I am trying to find out the ratio. Are the ratios are equal? Taking 4 with 6, because 4 is the smallest, 6 is the smallest here. Taking, okay, the ratio between 4 and 6 is 2 to 3. Number 2, taking the longest side down with the longest side up. You will get 8 over 12, making a simplify, you will get 2 over 3 also. What about middle with middle? Middle with middle, it means 6 over 9. The ratio between 6 over 9 is also, in the simplest form, is 2 over 3. So we have 3 sides up are proportional with the 3 sides down. And that means the triangle up and triangle down are similar also. So I have to write triangle DEB is similar to triangle YXA. This is the right order, because here I said DEB, DEB, small, big, okay, small, big. Here I have to say also small and big, YXA, DEB. And that means What about the similarity? It means measure of angle A equals measure of angle B. Measure of A equal measure of B. Here it is, angle A, angle B is written as the rest symbols. Since A and B are two equal angles, therefore AC and CB are two equal sides also. The length of CB is 12 plus 8, it's 20 centimeter. So the length of AC must be also 20 centimeter. If you want YC, make subtraction, 20 minus 9, it will be 11. I have to choose number C. Okay, that's all for this problem. Another problem here. Another problem here. No, we discuss it. We discuss it. Okay, no problem. Here we have two similar triangles also, ABC and DEC, because this is a bisector for the angle. These two angles are equal, and the ratio between 4 and 6 is 2/3, or the ratio between AC and CD is 4 to 8, it means a half. Also, the ratio between CB and CE is 6/12, it's half also, the same ratio here. And we have angle equals angle, so it's the similarity. Okay, the ratio between AB and DE, AB and DE equals a half, making cross multiplication, you will get DE equals 5 centimeter. In this problem, okay, we discuss it or not? Yeah, that's all, guys. That's all. That's very good. Okay. Thank you so much for consulting me, and my advice to solve a full examinations. Okay, to revise the whole syllabus, not part of it. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Goodbye. Salam alaikum.